The holiday season is a time to gather, celebrate, and create memories with loved ones. One of the most special aspects of Christmas is the joy of sharing meals around a beautifully decorated table. Your table setting can set the tone for your celebration, offering a warm welcome to family and friends while showcasing your creativity and holiday spirit. Whether you prefer a traditional, rustic vibe or a modern, chic look, the possibilities for Christmas table decor are endless. In this guide, we'll explore stunning ideas to make your Christmas table a true centerpiece of the celebration. A classic Christmas table never goes out of style, with its timeless color palette of red, green, and gold. Start with a crisp white tablecloth as your base to create a clean and sophisticated backdrop. Layer on a runner or placemats in deep red or emerald green to add depth and vibrancy. For the tableware, opt for porcelain dishes with gold accents or festive patterns, such as holly or snowflakes, for a touch of holiday charm. Centerpieces are a must for a classic table setting. Consider a garland of evergreen branches running down the center of the table, adorned with pine cones, red berries, and miniature ornaments. Add tall, slender candlesticks with white or gold candles to create a soft, warm glow. Name cards in elegant calligraphy and tied with a red or gold ribbon can make each guest feel special while tying the theme together. For glassware, crystal or gold-rimmed glasses enhance the look of refinement. Finish the setting with cloth napkins in matching colors, folded into simple shapes like a Christmas tree or secured with a festive napkin ring. This timeless approach is perfect for creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere that embodies the spirit of the season. If these Christmas table setting ideas inspired your holiday hosting, give this video a like and share it with friends who love creating magical holiday gatherings. If you're drawn to the cozy, nostalgic feel of a rustic Christmas, this style is all about natural textures and earthy tones. Swap out the tablecloth for a burlap or linen runner to let the wood of your table shine through. Layer in woven placemats or charger plates made from natural materials like rattan or wood. White or cream-colored dishes with simple designs complement the rustic aesthetic beautifully. A rustic centerpiece could include a wooden tray or box filled with natural elements like pine branches, eucalyptus sprigs, cinnamon sticks, and cranberries. Add mason jars filled with tea lights or fairy lights to bring a soft, enchanting glow to your table. Personalized wooden name tags or hand-tied bundles of herbs like rosemary can serve as thoughtful and fragrant place settings. For napkins, use muted colors or neutral tones, tied with twine and a sprig of greenery. Consider adding vintage touches, such as antique silverware or mismatched crockery, to enhance the charm. This setting creates a homey, heartwarming vibe perfect for intimate family gatherings. What's your favorite table setting idea from today's video? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're styling your holiday table this year. A modern Christmas table focuses on sleek lines, simplicity, and a neutral color palette with pops of festive metallics. Choose a plain tablecloth in white or a light gray to set a minimalist tone. Pair it with geometric placemats or metallic charger plates in silver or gold. Keep the dishware clean and simple. White porcelain with subtle textures or matte finishes works beautifully. For a modern centerpiece, consider a cluster of candles of varying heights in monochromatic colors, or use clear vases filled with white flowers like lilies or hydrangeas. Add a few metallic accents, such as gold or silver ornaments, scattered along the table for a touch of festive sparkle. Avoid overcrowding the table. Keep the decorations understated yet impactful. Napkins in neutral tones can be folded into sleek shapes or held in minimalist holders. For name cards, opt for elegant, modern fonts printed on high-quality cardstock. Glassware with a subtle tint or a metallic rim can elevate the setting further. This approach is perfect for those who love a chic, contemporary take on holiday decor. For more festive decor and hosting tips, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss a new video. A whimsical winter wonderland theme is ideal for adding a touch of enchantment to your Christmas table. Start with a sparkling white or icy blue tablecloth to create a frosty foundation. Layer on glittering silver placemats or chargers to enhance the magical effect. Dishes with snowflake or icicle patterns, or even shimmering pearl finishes, complement this theme perfectly. For your centerpiece, create a snowy scene with faux snow, miniature trees, and tiny figurines of reindeer or snowmen. Incorporate crystal or acrylic decorations, like icicles or snowflakes, and add twinkling string lights for a magical glow. For an added touch, place a glass dome over some of the figurines to give the illusion of snow globes. Use napkins in soft shades of white, silver, or blue, tied with ribbons and a glittery snowflake ornament for guests to take home. Clear glassware and cutlery with frosted or shimmering finishes complete the setting. This theme is perfect for creating a sense of wonder and delight, especially for families with children or for anyone who loves a bit of holiday magic. Check out our Christmas decor playlist for more ideas to make your home holiday ready, from stunning tablescapes to tree decorations. As we wrap up our journey through Christmas table setting ideas, it's clear that creating a festive table is more than just about the decor. It's about making your guests feel welcomed and embraced in the spirit of the season. The table you set becomes the heart of your celebration, bringing loved ones together to share laughter, food, and memories. From classic, traditional looks to modern minimalism and whimsical winter themes, the possibilities for creative expression are endless. The beauty of Christmas table decor lies in its ability to reflect your personal style while honoring the traditions of the season. It's not about perfection, but about creating an atmosphere of warmth, joy, and togetherness. Whether it's the soft glow of candles, the rich textures of holiday textiles, or the sparkle of carefully chosen decorations, each element plays a part in setting the tone for your celebration. Remember, it's the little touches, the handwritten place cards, the carefully chosen centerpiece, the festive napkins, that make all the difference. These thoughtful details show your guests that they are valued and add a layer of charm and intimacy to your gathering. Let your creativity run wild, and don't be afraid to step out of the ordinary. Mix colors, experiment with materials, and try new ideas that reflect your vision for the perfect Christmas table. Whether you're hosting an intimate family dinner or a grand holiday feast, your table should be a reflection of the joy, warmth, and love that fills your home during this special time of year. No matter the style you choose, remember that Christmas is a time to celebrate and create moments that will be cherished for years to come. As your table comes to life with each thoughtful piece of decor, you're not just preparing a place to eat, you're preparing a space where memories will be made, stories will be shared, and traditions will be passed down through generations. So, as you gather around your beautifully set table this Christmas, take a moment to reflect on the joy you've created and the memories you've shared. Because in the end, it's not the decorations that will be remembered, but the love and warmth that filled the room. Let your table be a reminder of what matters most this holiday season: family, friends, and the moments that make life truly special. As you look around at your beautifully set table, take in the sights and sounds of the season, the laughter of your loved ones, the clinking of glasses, and the aroma of a delicious meal. It's in these moments that the true magic of Christmas happens, and your table becomes a symbol of all the joy and warmth the season brings. Don't forget that the simplest touches can often have the most profound impact. A simple sprig of holly, a personalized gift for each guest, or a cozy throw to wrap around the shoulders of those who gather. These thoughtful gestures go a long way in making your celebration feel extra special. Let each setting serve as a reflection of the love, joy, and hospitality that fills your home. And as you sit down to share a meal, remember that it's not just the decor that makes the occasion memorable, it's the time spent together, creating memories that will last long after the candles have burned out and the decorations are put away. Want to bring these Christmas table settings to life in your home? Head to the description for links to the products featured in today's video. As the evening unfolds, allow your table setting to spark conversation, inspire joy, and create lasting memories for all who gather around it. With each detail, no matter how small, you're crafting an experience that will be remembered fondly for years to come. Christmas truly is about cherishing the little moments, and your beautifully decorated table is the perfect place to do just that.